was quite inspired by these scarf hairstyles which were on Pinterest, and I thought, why not let's try them out. I have tried out some of the scarf hairstyles before and they worked out pretty great, but the remaining I will try it out today, so it is all going to be my first time. So all of the scarf hairstyles that I'll be doing today, they look so pretty in the pictures, you guys, and I thought, why not let's give them a try. So yeah, without any delay, let's begin. So I'm folding the scarf half diagonally, putting it around my neck and then tying it into a knot, something this way. So now I'm just going to leave 2 strands in the front and then I'm going to tie my hair into a low ponytail. So now I'm just going to flip the scarf inside out, something this way, and pull the scarf all the way back. Also, I'll be pulling those 2 strands downwards when I'm pulling the scarf upwards, if you know what I mean. Something this way. Also, you can tie this scarf in multiple ways. It depends on what you like to do. So yeah, now I've just taken out the hairband and this is what it looks like. So this first look is the most popular look I have been seeing everywhere, and yeah, this is super simple and really cute. Now for the next look, it is a Y2K inspired hairband style, and this is exactly what Bella and Kendall are also wearing in the pictures I showed before. So all you have to do is fold it into half and then wrap it around your head and tie it at the back. This is another hairstyle that is super trendy at the moment. So I've tried these 2 hairstyles before when I used to go out and they look super pretty and they are so simple to do, you guys. I think these 2 are my go-to looks and I don't think so I would stop doing these. Now this is the easiest way to take them out. You just have to simply pull them. Oops. So for the next look, this one is really simple. It's a hairband style and I'm just wrapping it this way and putting it around my neck. So you could also tie it as a scarf around your neck. It looks super chic, but let's get to what we are actually doing right now, and that is scarf hairstyle. So yeah, I'm simply gonna tie a knot on my head, leaving a strand if you want to, or if you don't, it depends totally on you. Now I like to leave it just this way, but if you do not like it this way, you can obviously just tuck it inside and it will just give you another hairband look. For my next hairstyle, I'm going to start by tying my hair into a high ponytail, tying it up with a hairband. Then I'm going to put my hair scarf through the hairband so that the center of the scarf is the center of the band, something this way. Then I'm going to divide my ponytail into 2 halves. Starting with the right side, I'm going to twist my hair around the scarf, something this way, and tying it up with a hairband again. So then you'll have something this way, and now I'm going to repeat the whole process with the left side. Now that I have 2 of these, I'm going to wrap them around the ponytail, something this way, and pin them in place with bobby pins, or you can even use U-pins. And this is the final look, you guys. I totally loved it. I think I really want to do it when I go outside. Now for the next look, I was really inspired by this picture on Pinterest and I was actually wondering how is it done, but I'm just trying it out. So all I'm doing is I'm tying my hair into a high ponytail and it is really high, you guys. Now I'm just gonna twist it over and tie it into a bun. Also I'm leaving the ends this way and I'm just simply tying that up. Now I'm just gonna pull it all out, something this way. I'm just making it expand as much as my hair can. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. You can also secure it with bobby pins if required, but I'm just letting that be the way it is. And yeah, it looks really messy, but now I'm just gonna take my scarf and wrap it around my head, something this way, and I'll secure it with a knot at the side of my head. And yeah, pretty much that is it for this hairstyle. I really loved it. Oh, also I did curl up the strands in the front, and I'm sorry I did not take the footage of that, so yeah. Finally, coming to the last hairstyle, I was really inspired by this look on Pinterest. So all I'm doing is I'm creating spaced buns, but I'm doing that with the entire hair, and yeah, I'm just gonna secure that with bobby pins again. Now I'm simply going to take my scarf and tie it around my head like shown before. And ooh, let's not forget about the bangs. These are so useful, you guys. So it is like tic tac clips. So you just have to put them like you put tic tac on your hair, and that is it, you guys. I will be leaving all the links in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Really loved this look, and so I decided to just put on some fake glasses, and here it is. I think out of all, this was my favorite. Let me know what was yours. And that is it for the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really had fun creating all of these vlogs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. I will see you in my next video. Bye.